Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to watching. There's not going to be any badass cinematography. Today we are going over my new wheels. A little sneak peek for you guys. They're in these little cover things that the guy gave me. Today we're going to put them on for the first time. I've had these wheels for give or take 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I don't know exactly when I got them. I've had them for a long time, okay? And they haven't even been out of the little tire holder thing that they're in because I haven't had any use for them. These are my daily wheels. Those are my old wheels, the stock wheels. These were my old track tires, and as you can see, they are gone, like absolutely shredded. I'm actually getting these tires taken off of the wheel tomorrow. So if anyone wants a set of mint RPF ones, hit me up. 500 bucks, they're yours. But I need to get rid of those, and that's why I bought these, because these are the new ones. Those are a 245 tire, and those old ones are a 225. So quite a big upgrade. That's gonna help me out on the track and for autocross. Not gonna be taking these to the Dragon. That's what those are for. Those are the dailies. These are still good. They're PS4Ss. They're sticky. Those are really sticky. So the plan for today's video is we are gonna put these on first and foremost. Then we're gonna head to one of the curviest roads around my area, and we're gonna test these things out because I want to see if these things were worth the upgrade from these things, because hopefully they are. I got them for a really good price. One of these wheels is actually curved, and it's not bad. It's a small part, but he gave me a whole new wheel up there, like for free. But before we get into the video today, check out the new Batmobile, man. This is my mom's new Audi Q8. We're gonna back this thing out here in a second so I can actually pull my car over so I have enough room to, you know, work on the car and put the wheels on. But this car is awesome. I'm kind of jealous, man. Audi is the way to go. Audi has figured something out. Ever since I drove Vince's S4, I was convincing my mom, I was like, you gotta get an Audi, because they have figured something out. Then this car is amazing. She's loving it, I'm loving it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna back this thing out, and then we're gonna pull my car over and get to wrenching. Open the garage doors real quick. Little mom SUV action, okay. Little turbo V6 action, okay. Little 3D action, okay. Let's go ahead and back this thing out and move it over one. I'm not gonna leave it outside, because, hey, shut up. Hey, I got it. I know how to use my mirrors. My favorite thing about this car is everything's digital. Digital dash, digital everything, and it's super responsive too. I got it, bruh. I know I'm crooked, cut. All right, you know what? No. We gonna back this hoe up a little bit. I got it, bruh. Shush. All right, yeah. Now we good. Pull up a little more, because I don't want to hit the door. Park. You in park? Okay, yeah. Boop. Yay. That was fun. Boop, boop. Which one would you guys rather have? The quiet mom SUV that's, you know, pretty fast for how big it is, or the loud one? The loud, obnoxious, really dirty cop magnet one. You know, there's times where I'd rather have this one, but when you get in that thing with the full digital dash, it's super quiet in there too. Sometimes this isn't the best option, but stay tuned for the next video. I might just have a solution to not having to drive this every single day. Why is there a fly in here, dude? How did the fly get in here that fast? See, with this car, you don't have any fancy 3D or fancy cameras on the mirrors. You just got one in the back and you got 3 mirrors. All right, well, there's a start. Let's close every single garage door that I just opened. Now we're situated. Wheelie, oh shit. We have to figure out which wheel goes where, because I'm not sure if this one's the front or the back or the left or the right. So that's what we got to figure out right now. I don't know what that is. These wheels are the same as these, just wider. They are Inky RPF ones, but they are gunmetal. We have to take these out of the carrying cases that I was supplied with. Okay. Whoa, there we go. Now we got something. Look at these things, boys. We got plenty of tread on here. These, I don't know what that is. That's like rubber. Ew. What is, ew, ugh. Here's the only problem with these that I figured out a little while ago. These are Ventus RS3s. They are hand-cooked tires. The only problem is that the RS3 is the old model of this tire. They are now on the RS4s, so I don't know how old this tire is, but you can see on the sidewall when the tire was made. These were made in 2016. Don't know if that's super old for a tire or not. I wonder when those were made. These were made in 2020. Well, that's interesting. I mean, they look mint, so we're gonna run them and there's plenty of tread. I wonder what this guy used these wheels for, because obviously he didn't run them daily. He must have used them for the track and never went to the track, I guess. There's one. We got to get the rest of the 3 out. This guy barely even used these tires, and they're from 2016, so they must have been sitting around in his house for some time. But here is actually the wheel with the curb rash. It's right there, and it actually nicked into the tire here as well. But I mean, it's not bad. I mean, he hit the outer lip, but I don't think it's bent, so we're good. We're gonna throw these tires on. We're gonna put them through a series of tests. We're gonna do the looks test, the circle test, and the road test, and we'll figure out how good these things actually are and how good they're gonna be on the track. Let's put these things on. Let's get to jacking. Wow, that did not sound right. Guys, check out how dirty these wheels are. This shows you the extent of my car maintenance. So yeah, these things are nasty. We got 1 on there and we got 3 more to go. Okay, last one. Boom. We're ready to go, boys. Let's back the car out and take a look. All right, boys, here she is. Doesn't she look pretty? These things look amazing. The fitment isn't as good as, you know, the bigger, wider tires and wheels. But you know, it's not too bad, and I think it looks great. And the tread pattern on these things, they look like slicks, guys. They look so good. It looks like a race car. There you can see right there, that's the curve I was talking about, where the guy curved the wheel. But it's really not too bad, and unless you're looking at it, you really won't notice it. Here's the other side. For some reason, he decided to do tire paint on this wheel. I don't know why, but I mean, I'm kind of digging it. It kind of looks good. Let me know if I should do it on the rest of them, because I mean, I kind of like it. Without further ado, guys, let's go test these things out. Let's hit the road and let's see if they're ready for the racetrack. When I put these tires on, they had like 17 pounds of pressure in them, so they were super low, but I filled them up. I can already tell, guys, these things have a ton of road noise. God, dude, these things are screaming at 20 miles an hour. Dude, it literally sounds like I'm on damn mud tires. Is that normal? Tell me in the comments, is that normal? Because these things are squealing. I mean, here, I'll put the car in neutral and let you guys hear it. So guys, I've been having a little bit of problems with my car. Ever since the last mountain trip, there's a lot of clicking and vibrations going on. Sounds like it's coming from the suspension. I haven't diagnosed that yet. I haven't had time to get under the car, but I'm almost due for an oil change, so I'm probably just gonna tell them to check it out and see if they can find anything. And I know what you're thinking.
Ryan, shouldn't you be fixing your car instead of letting it rip tater chip through the mountains?
And the answer is yes, probably so. But on this channel, we're not very good at fixing stuff, okay? We're good at breaking stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so the first test was obviously looks. It obviously passed because I think they look amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But the second test is gonna be the circle test, okay? What we're gonna do is literally, we're gonna go in a circle. That's it. We're gonna go in a circle and see how well they do. But this is gonna help break the tires in and prepare us for the amount of grip that we're gonna get when we do the road test, which is the 3rd and last one. So here we go. First gear. We're just literally gonna go in a circle and see how well these tires can hold. There's a guy right there in his Toyota. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right, we're losing a little bit in the front. Not bad though, we're going 16 miles an hour. Not bad, guys. Woo, I'm getting dizzy, dude. Oh my God. We were going almost 20 miles an hour, which is fast for full lock, you know, just going in a circle. So I don't know what you guys think, but I think that was a pass. These things obviously have a ton of grip. Let's head up to the mountains and let's do the 3rd and final test, the road test. And yeah, I'll catch you guys then. We're going to get into the twisties, boys. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the mountains of Mexico. The sun has kind of set, so it might be a little dark, but we're still gonna get the 3rd test done and finish up this video for you guys. Lots of initial grip, guys. These tires are obviously meant for the track, and it shows. They're loud, they're sticky, they throw up everything that, like rocks and stuff on the side of the road. Ooh, little pop there. Gotta love it. I didn't adjust my coilovers, so suspension's gonna be a little soft, but that's okay. And here it is. Here is the hairpin. Not going too fast right now, but oh man! So much grip. I love the wall there with the sound bouncing off. It's so good. Oh! That was a bump. Another thing about these tires, guys, is that since they're smaller and they're less wide than my other ones, they sit in more, so they don't scrub my fender liner whenever I, you know, go fast. So going to the track, I can push as hard as I want and not have to worry about scrubbing or anything. Let's turn around real quick because I want to go back up that way and I want to hit that inside hairpin. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm hearing something scrubbing up there on full lock. Don't know exactly what that is, but there's a police right behind me, so we're gonna take it slow going and back up, except for that one part. And here we go, hairpin. Whoa, so much grip, dude. I know it's hard to tell on GoPro, but I hit that going super fast and these things just held all the way through. So much fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned, because we're gonna actually really go test out these tires on the track here soon. This really didn't do them any. Oh, that is a squirrel, dude. I almost just murdered a squirrel. But like I was saying, we're gonna go to the track here soon, and we're gonna actually test these things out, use them to their full potential. It is getting way too dark to film out here. Train, choo-choo? No, we're good. Okay. New videos every Tuesday. I'm posting a video every single week, so make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.